How are you?
Vietnam.
Hoi An.
Hoi An, you're right.
From the window, showing me what I know is on your mind. Baby, I love you. I love you. Honey, don't you know I long to hear every little detail of your day. Running for the train, I hope it doesn't rain and make you late again. Baby, I love you.
Ocean, can you tour us in our room?
Okay. I'll show you.
You tour me around.
Here's our balcony. Over here. And it's closed.
Oh, yeah, later.
Okay. And this is our bed.
And then we have our TV.
And
We have water. Oh wait. And also the toilet.
don't say toilet. That reminds me of Skibidi.
Oh, it's so bright.
This is slipper.
Mama, the slipper, Mama.
Okay. And Ocean got the chicken something, right?
I bought a pair of brand new jeans. They made me forget about what's underneath. What's underneath.
Ngayon, nasa bahay ng walaga, guys.
People started to say real nice things.
I promise don't
Thought
say
maybe
that.
they changed how they used to think.
Ocean, did we
They
promise
used to
more?
think.
Yeah.
But after all,
Pero siya
there's
din ako.
nothing left to say. They're old.
Ocean, hello.
Hello.
What are you gonna do now?
I have this.
Lantern, Papa. Hello.
I know what to do with them. I think. I want a light.
Wow.
Can I put it now?
Not yet.
Huh?
Paliw ko labi.
I think we shouldn't talk in front of it. I think we shouldn't talk in front of it.
Okay, you go put.
Okay.
Slowly, and then you wish.
May mic. Ocean.
Papa.
What
Ocean, what did you do earlier, Ocean?
Time goes by and I'm thinking more about you now. Then my mind grows tired of trying to figure it out. What I did wrong, cause I keep on blaming myself. Like how you fell for someone else. You can feel me, you should touch me, you can leave me when you never were here.
Where are you? Where are you?
You should touch me, you can leave me when you never were here.
Hoi An, you're...
Come on, take my love from me. I don't want it anymore. Set a fire to my heart. Take my love from me. I don't need another tear to remind me you were here. Take my love from me. I don't want it anymore.